Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General pre-holiday event. We have two awesome sales going on this week at Dollar General and a lot of deals to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so like I said, we have two sales going on this week at Dollar General. The first one that we're going to talk about is the 3-day sale. This is going to begin on Thursday, November the 3rd and run through Saturday, November the 5th. So y'all keep that in mind with your 5 off $25 scenarios. So let's take a look at what is included in this 3-day sale. First up, we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. They're going to be on sale 3 for $11. And we're also going to have the Fanta Barks or Mellow Yellow 2 liters. They're going to be on sale for just 95 cents each. Alright, next up we have the 32-ounce Clover Valley broth or stocks. Those are going to be on sale for $2, making those just $1 each. And then we also have the Clover Valley canned vegetables. Those are going to be on sale for $1, making those 50 cents each. Now also included are the Keebler cookies. These are going to be on sale 3 for $7.50. Now, here's another really good deal. We have the Santitas tortilla chips and the Baconettes pork skins. These are normally like $2.79 each, but during this 3-day sale, you're going to pay just $3 for 2 bags. Next up, we have a sale on the Honey Made graham crackers and the vanilla wafers. Those are going to be on sale 2 for $6.50. And then we also have these Snickers ice cream bars 5-pack. Those are going to be on sale for $4. Alright, next up we have the Bugles. These are going to be on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free, and these are priced at $1 each. Plus, we have a 50-cent off 2 digital coupons, so that's going to leave you paying $1.50 for 3 bags, making those just 50 cents each. Now, if you really want to stock up on Bugles, we actually have 3 digital coupons that you can stack with this sale. We have 2 manufacturer coupons for 50 cents off 2 for the Bugles, plus we have that 2 off 10 DG store coupon for the General Mills products. So what you can actually do is pick up a total of 15 bags, and after the coupons and the sale is applied, you're going to pay just $7. Alright, now next up we should be receiving a new 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. So this is on the larger bottles. These are priced at $10, so after the coupon you're going to pay $7. Alright, next up we're going to have a sale on the 6 Mega Plus rolls of Charmin. These are going to be on sale for $8.95. We're going to have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $7.95. Now, also included in this 3-day sale are the limited edition holiday scents for the Glade air freshener. So these are going to be on sale, buy 3, get 1 for free. Next up, we have the 4-pack of halogen light bulbs. These are normally $6.75, but during this 3-day sale, they're going to be just $5. Alright, next up, we have the True Living Snap food storage containers. These are normally $1.50 to $7 each, but during this 3-day sale, they're going to be buy 1, get 1 half off. Alright, next up we have the Comfort Bay throws and blankets. These are normally $6 all the way up to $35 each, but during this 3-day sale they're going to be buy 1, get 1 half off. And then we also have the Comfort Bay sheet sets. These are normally $10 to $26 each, and those are also going to be buy 1, get 1 half off. Now also we're going to have a couple of instant savings deals. So we have the twin air mattresses. These are normally $30, but during the 3-day sale we're going to have an instant savings of $5. So that's going to leave you paying $25. And then we also have an instant savings of $2 on the mini lamps or up lights. So those are priced at $14. So after that instant savings you're going to pay $12. Now, down there in the corner is a pretty good sale. We're going to have the no-break totes. These are normally $20 each, but during this 3-day sale you're going to pay just $10. Alright, next up we have a sale on the Vibes Sound Karaoke wireless mic and built-in speaker. These are normally $12, but during this 3-day sale they're going to be half off and you're going to pay just $6. Now, also included in the sale, we have the Vibe Essential lights. There's different ones that y'all can choose from. These are priced at $5 to $6.25, and those are going to be 25% off. Then back up there at the top, we have the Sentry wireless headphone and wireless speaker. These are normally $15, but they're going to be on sale for just $10. And then we also have the Craig Bluetooth Tower speaker. These are normally $45, but during the sale, they're going to be $35. Alright, next up we have the Fruit of the Loom men's or women's fleece pants or shirts. These are going to be on sale 2 for $12. And then we also have a sale on the Hanes socks for the family. The 6-packs, they're going to be on sale 2 for $10. And of course, we have some pet deals included as well. So we have a sale on the Good and Fun dog treats. They're going to be 3 for $10. And we also have the Fresh Step cat litter. These are normally $11.95, but they're going to be on sale for $10.95. And then we also have the Rachel Ray Nutrish 12-pound bags of dog food. These are normally $19.95, but they're going to be on sale for $17.95. Now we also have a few personal care deals to go over as well. So we have the Composure underwear. These are normally $16.75, but we should be receiving a 5-off-1 digital coupon. So that's going to be paying $11.75. Now we're also going to have an instant savings on the Maybelline Cosmetics. So when you spend $10, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. And also included are the Pretty Woman nails. These are normally $3 to $4.50 each, and they're going to be 50% off during this 3-day sale. All right, next up, we're going to have the Conair hair dryers and straighteners. These are priced at $16.25 all the way up to $20.50, but we should be receiving a digital coupon for 5-off-1. And then we're also going to have an instant savings of $1 on the DG Health cold and cough medicines. These are normally priced at $6.35. And last but certainly not least, we have a huge sale on toys. So we have the yellow and blue dot toys as well as the yellow or blue star toys. Those are going to be buy one, get one 75% off. All right, so now that we've went over all the details for the 3-day sale, we are about to jump into the 1-day sale deals. But I wanted to take a quick second and make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below, because y'all know it absolutely makes my day to see your wonderful smiling faces in the comment section. And plus, it is a free and easy way that y'all can help support this channel. So if everybody's had enough time, let's go ahead and jump back into the deals. All right, so like I said, we have 2 sales going on at Dollar General this week. So now we are going to talk about the pre-holiday event. This is going to be a 1-day sale on November the 4th only. So this Friday, y'all definitely want to make sure that you stop by DG and pick up some of these deals. So first up, we have a buy one, get one free deal. So you're going to pick up the Libby's 15-ounce canned pumpkin for $2.25, and you're going to get the Carnation evaporated milk for free. Now, also included in this sale, we're going to have the Red Baron pizzas. They're going to be on sale, 2 for $9. Next up, we have the Nestle Toll House morsels. These are going to be on sale, 2 for $5. And then we also have the Betty Crocker hamburger helpers. These are priced at $2.25, and they're going to be buy one, get one free. Next up, we have the extra liquid laundry detergents. These are the huge bottles, the 283-ounce bottles. These are priced at $11.75. We should be receiving a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $9.75. Now next, here is a really, really awesome deal. We're going to have the Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets, the 22 to 36 count. These are normally $7.65, but they're going to be on sale for just $5.65. Plus, we have a $150 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $4.15. And this deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1.50 rebate back on the Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back $1.50, and that's going to make your final price just $2.65. All right, next up, we have a sale on the Brawny paper towels, 2 count. These are normally $5.50, but during this 1-day sale, they're going to be $4.25. Now, we're also going to have a sale on the Hefty trash bags. So these are normally $5.75. During this 1-day sale, they're going to be $4.75. Plus, we have that $150 off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to be paying just $3.25, which is a great deal on trash bags. All right, next up, we're also going to have a sale on the Ziploc storage bags. Now, these are normally $4.50, but during this 1-day sale, they're going to be $3.75. Now, also included, we're going to have the Meow Mix cat food, 9 to 10-pound bags. These are going to be on sale for $10.95. And we also have the bags of the Pepperoni treats. These are normally $5.75, but they're going to be on sale for $4.50. Plus, we have a $150 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $7.50 for 2. All right, next up, we have another instant savings deal. So you're going to instantly save $3 at the register when you spend $6 on any Believe Beauty cosmetics or nail items. Now, next up, we have another deal on Maybelline products. So when you buy one of the Maybelline Colossal Curl Mascaras at $9, you're going to get one of the Maybelline nail polishes priced at $2.50 for free. Now, remember a few minutes ago when we were talking about the 3-day sale, I mentioned that we have an instant savings of $3 when you spend $10 on Maybelline cosmetics as well. Now, I'm not sure if both of these sales will stack and work together, but we will for sure try it on Friday, and I'll let you guys know. All right, now next up, a few more personal care deals. We're going to have the Dickinson's toners. These are normally $5.35 to $6.50 each, and they're going to be 50% off during this one-day sale. Then we also have a couple of instant savings deal. We have the Wall all-in-one trimmers. These are priced at $20.75, so you're going to instantly save $3 during this sale. And then we also have the Wall color code clippers. These are priced at $24.75, and you're going to instantly save $4 during this sale. All right, now next up, here's a really good deal. We have the Comfort Bay blankets. These are normally $5, but during this one-day sale, they're going to be just $2.50. Now we also have the Christmas florals. These are going to be 50% off as well, and these are normally $1 to $3 each. And we also have a deal on the LED holiday lights. These are normally $8 to $12 each, but during this one-day sale, they're going to be 50% off. Next up, we're going to have the holiday crafting items. These are going to be 25% off. And also included are the 6-foot Christmas trees. These are normally $20 to $35 each, and they're going to be 25% off. Now here's a really good deal for stocking stuffers. We have the holiday socks. These start out at $1 each, and they're going to be buy one, get one free. And we also have a deal on the one-piece sleepwear for the family. These are going to be on sale for just $10 each. Next up, we also have coloring books. These are normally $2 each, but during this one-day sale, they're going to be buy one, get one free. Now, here's some ideas for Christmas presents. We have the Frigidaire mini fridges. These are normally $35, but during this sale, they're going to be $25. Then we also have the Toastmaster slow cookers. These are normally $26, but they're going to be on sale for just $15. Next up, we have the Hype gaming headphones and the Vibe gaming LED earbuds. These are going to be 30% off. Next up, we have the Breathe Pure Air Purifiers. These are normally $6 each. They're going to be buy one, get one half off. And then we also have the Vibe Bluetooth speakers. These are going to be on sale for just $5. Next up, we have the Lights All light bar. These are going to be on sale for $9. And then we also have the GE LED light bulbs. These are going to be on sale for $6. And then last but not least, I know that we all have at least one gamer in our family. So we have the Xbox and PlayStation gift cards. These are normally $50 and they're going to be 20% off. Now, if you guys are looking for even more deals to do at Dollar General this week, make sure that you go back and check out my good deals and glitch list video that I uploaded yesterday, and I will have that one linked in the pinned comment down below for you. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and you guys let me know down in the comment section below, what is your favorite deal that is included in this sale? Now, also, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.